Hey there, people. Well, it's Monday afternoon, family day. I almost just slipped on my bum. Anyway, yeah, with the truck being broken and shit, I must fall on my bum again. Hopefully everybody's having a good family day. I'm about to go scrapping. So I picked some stuff up on the weekend. So we'll get that unloaded and let's go scrapping. Just got off the phone with Joe Mokona. He wanted to go romping, but I've got work to do. I wish I can go romping right now, but... Okay. Well, there's my little haul from the other day. Look at all the golf clubs. So I got 3 scrap golf club sets. And I actually found an all-steel dishwasher. How rare is that? Alright, let's go. Oh, it's not much, but it looks like a post or something. Let's grab it. Right on, I'll take that. It's pretty heavy. Bathtub. Let's go see if we can grab that. We'll go knock on Buddy's door and yeah. Well, there was no answer there, but I gotta come back this way on my way home, so we'll knock again. There's a pet grooming place, like there's a million dogs barking. I'm sure they're throwing it out, but I don't just grab stuff. Obviously, you guys know that. Okay, strap on. Is it ever nice out today? Kinda wish I would've went romping with John. Oh, we got work to do. I see a little something. I don't know. I see a filing cabinet up there. Stereo. Maybe we'll grab the filing cabinet. Anyways. Steel chest. What's up with me and my chests? Oh well, I like the steel part of it. There might be some treasures in that chest. It's pretty heavy. So I got 4 chests now. This one's pretty rusted out. That one's going to the scrapyard. Okay, carry on. Uh-oh, we had an accident. Uh-oh. I lost my shit. Let's get that fixed up and we'll carry on. Well, that was slightly embarrassing. 3 people witnessed that. This girl walking her dog. And these 2 girls here. Yeah. Who's the man? Looking good. There's stuff at the end of the street too. Okay, we'll pick this up first. That big piece. So nice, that's gonna be fun. Well, I gotta reposition myself for that one. Pulling the buddies hard. Some glare ice. That son of a gun's heavy. Well, so much for that. All that hard work. I had it loaded. And buddy's taking it to the scrapyard himself. He's saying, yeah, why do you leave it on the curb then? Yeah, I'm not impressed. See all that glare ice? I fought through that to get that sucker loaded. Oh well, you can take it to the scrapyard and then some. One of the few times I don't stop to ask. Like, I wish I would have asked before, then, you know, I would have went through all that trouble. Because man, I was slipping and sliding, my back was going, and anyway, like I said, he can bring that to the scrapyard all he wants. Well, the guy says to me, yeah, I was going to bring it in my backyard to bring it back to the scrapyard tomorrow. So, me being the nice guy, I said, well, do you need a hand? I'll help you. He's like, no, I'll be busy in my basement. I'm doing renovations. So I'm like, dude, like, somebody's going to come by with a team of scrappers. Like, 2 guys would have that loaded in 2 seconds and gone. It's like, oh, just don't worry about it. Mange la mort. Alright. Found some junk. Satellite dish, computer parts, metal on metal. Well, I went to see about that bathtub, and the way my day's going, of course it was gone. Somebody snagged it. Unbelievable. Friggin' scrappers. Well, I'm done for today. Well, that's it for today, I guess. It's a good thing I got other stuff. Well, shall we crack open that chest and see what's inside? Might be some treasures. Well, the only treasures in there are some old, stinky clothes. Yuck. Oh, and a dog. What are you doing, Cody? Alright. Well, okay, let's go wash our hands and have some beers. Don't forget, kids. Well, next time somebody asks me to go romping, I think I'm going to do that instead of scrapping. What a day, man. What a day. I don't know if Buddy was just playing with me there with that washer dryer combo thing. Like, why would he take it out of his basement, put it on the curb, then take it to his backyard so he can take it to the scrap? Like, I think he's just got a beef with scrappers. I don't know. Because the city's going there tomorrow anyway to pick it up. Like, that's what they do. So anyway, screw him. He can keep his washer and dryer or whatever, or let the city have it. Who cares about a working man? Well, right on, people. Cheers. And thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Later.